All right. Good morning, everyone. It's September 23rd, 8:20 in the morning. We're going to go back to trading options or buying options for Amazon. We're going to go over what we kind of did yesterday real quick. So I bought two calls eventually over the morning, and my zero cost was about this red line, somewhere around this 30-20 mark, and it bumped up a little bit, and I was able to make just over $1,000 in about 30 minutes. So what eventually happened is you had this little bit of an uptrend, down, some more up, some down, and then basically it just went to the moon, right? So I ended up making $1,000 off two contracts, and I bought them around $6,000 each. At the end of the day, when they closed up here, they were worth 12,500 a piece. So that's 25 grand off a $12,000 investment. Basically double my money. So again, the goal is going to be to catch a couple bucks right here at the beginning of the day, find the trend, which it came down but never went below this. So you're still in an uptrend. Find the trend after some time, and then make the same bets, but just hold them longer. This is this is a very long day trade. It's a very short swing trade. But at the same time, once you find a trend and it takes off, then you never know how big it's going to get. I forget how much it actually went up, 140, 50, $60. I don't even know. Um, we can check, I guess. 33 was the open, and the close was 31. Okay. So, close, 31.29. Was that $100? I can't remember. But I know at one point it was up $160, so I don't even. Oh, that was from yesterday. So yeah, it closed here at 29.62 and closed here at 31.29. Yeah. So we'd have missed all this, but that's a hundred bucks or something. Anyway, um, yeah, don't miss out on those if you get the chance to. All right, so it's 8:22. We're looking at the hourly chart. Let's just look at the daily real quick to start everything off. So we had this gap up, and really this is a reversal. I mean, we came down here, we took out all of this red candle here and jumped up here and closed here. So our next stop would be to close above this guy. That'd be the next step. And really it kind of came up here, but if we close above here on a daily, we're going to continue to go up. Um, I'm not sure exactly what's going to happen, but we are. Uh, Amazon is negative right now in the pre-market. If you take a look here at the close, 31.29, and here is the live number. Looks like we're $13 down. So, yeah, our next one is to take this out. All right, we'll go to the hourly. All right, so you got this clear uptrend, down, up, still down, or still up, and then we broke down and closed below this last down step. So we gotta wait for it to close below this guy for it to be an official reversal. No, I'm sorry. This is an official reversal. We need this to close below this reversal candle to become a downtrend. So I'll add a drawing right there just because it's off the top. I forget what that number is. Close 3107.15. 3107.15. Get close. All right. So now we got a marker there. If we get close below that by 9 o'clock, by 10 o'clock, then we have a downtrend. So there's that one. Oh, shoot. All right, same thing with the half hour. It's just two hourly candles. But we got a clear uptrend a clear reversal because we went down below this valley, right? So now we're down below there, close, and we're coming up. If we close below that, we're gonna probably shoot down to this, excuse me, this EMA, which is the 50, I believe. Should be the 50, yeah. So that's the 50 EMA. That's the 200 EMA. On the half-hour chart, the 50 crosses above the 200, so that's a good sign for an uptrend. You see over here on the 15, the 50 is crossed over the 200, so that's a sign of an uptrend. I guess we could look at the hourly, see what it did. See, 200's up here and the 50's down here, so on the hourly chart, we're still on this downtrend. See, right? So your next real spot on an hourly would be to buy down here for confirmation, but that's a lot of time away. I mean, that's $200 away or something. So anyway, on hourly, we're on downtrend. The daily, I don't have those. There we go. So I've got the 9 EMA and the 50. I believe that's still the 50. Yeah. So the 9 crossed down below, but it's starting to turn back up. And then the 200's down here. So we're in an uptrend on this one. And if we close above that 9 EMA, then it's a sign that people are going to sell. So keep that in mind. All right. That's really about it. I mean, we got this line here marked out. I guess we could put a top on it if we needed to. The high of this is 31.48. So we could do that just to get a zone. 31.48, and look right on the money. Put a green on it, makes it easier. So if it goes above that, buy it. If it goes below this, sell it. The next stop would be like right here. If it breaks down through that, because it's right there. This is the 15-minute chart. So if it breaks down through this line, it's also got support here from the 50. But if it breaks down all through there, then you're looking either stopping at this little stop, or coming right here. And then actually, this would be more of a spot to stop right here at a peak. All right, we'll see. We're probably going to be buying contracts for next week, just to give us a little bit of time to recover if things don't work out, because it is kind of 50-50 right now. There's not a whole lot saying something different is going to happen. Besides price falling, if it breaks down through there, then we can buy. If not, take a ride back up to here, and then it may just kind of bounce back and forth in this area. Right now we've got some consolidation building up already. If I was to extend this line out a little bit, then you could really see, we're just inside this box. And if you want, I can even just draw the box showing consolidation. And that's on the hourly. So we're stuck inside this box, and once we break out to the south or break out to the north, then that would be a buy time. All right, a couple minutes left. I'll catch up with you guys in a minute. All right, we're back. The bell opened. I'm on the 1 minute and the 5 minute right now, just to kind of get an idea. There's that gray zone that I made earlier. So we came moving up, came down and touched this, the 200 EMA. And this is the 1 minute chart. And if we blow up, we're green and green. So I might just go 1 minute and 15 minutes. I like to see a more broad picture sometimes before I take a bet on the 1 minute. So I put in the money for September 25th, which is Friday, is 4,500. For October 2nd, in the money is 8,500. So keep that in mind. Big price difference, because there's less risk. If you go to October 2nd, there's more chance of you getting your money back, at least. Less chance if you bet it to end on Friday. Um, so on the 15, we're back and forth between a longer red bar and a smaller red bar. Not color difference, just longer and shorter. There's some volume building up. It's in this consolidation box where I have no idea where it's going to go to. Looks like we're going to get ready to cross. I mean, we did cross over on the 1 minute, but you see how fast that bounces back. We were red for just a second, and then it bounces back. So it's not. This isn't set in stone. Again, this is a lagging indicator. So whatever this says, it's going to do the math and then put it down here. So it's always going to be candlesticks first. Okay. So you're coming down. You went all the way up. So it's more like a flag pattern. This is bullish. So it would want to keep going up, but the overall trend on the daily that is a downtrend. So you don't want to go against the bigger time frame, but at the same time, we're trying to make a couple bucks in the beginning and then go with the trend. Right now, it just doesn't seem like there's anything really popping off. Um, Amazon, they got a what do you call it? An upgrade on their price yesterday. They announced Amazon Prime Day will be October 10th or 15th. Who knows? Prime Day will be take place on October 13th. How about that? I guess you get free shipping. I don't really know. I don't really care. All this news is kind of irrelevant. We just want to watch these candlesticks and the trends. I mean, the news is cool to read and all, but it doesn't persuade me one way or the other on how I'm going to trade. If you look at the triple Qs right here, that's I don't know if it's really a proxy for the Nasdaq, but it has a lot of the Nasdaq companies. Um, it's negative, and then SPY is barely positive. So again, Amazon weighs on these two index or ETFs. Also, these two ETFs weigh on Amazon. So you can kind of follow what they're doing. It'll be the same thing that Amazon's doing. Uh, so that negative keeps getting bigger. So looks like the price is falling, right? So that's what it's doing. All right. The 15 got a little bit bigger. We're going to see if it bounces down through that. We're on the 15 minute. Let's see if it bounces down through that 50-day moving average. Again, it's 8,600, 8,700 to buy a put for next Friday. So we really want to be careful. This did break down through there, but it kind of popped back up. So it's kind of a fake out, I guess you want to call. But you see how it came down to that 50, touched it, and went back up. Now we're going to see if we can close it. That's 10 minutes away though, so we just need to be patient. It starts getting like real thick, real close to the time frame. Then maybe we can switch it up. All right, we'll go up to the 5. We just had a candle close. So we got real close to closing below that, but we didn't, and now we're working on it again. So we still want it to hit the bottom of that box and then bounce out or bounce back up. Fin contract is now $9,000. $87.10. Amazon's down $30 on the day. I was just able to get in one at $87.10. It's a 3,100 put, and $87.10, almost 50 cents on the dollar. Looks like I'm down about $5 right now. So I did a put, so down $1. $2, $2. So I don't know, 3102 maybe might be my mark, roughly. Or not. Maybe it is, maybe it's not. All right, $4, $5, $1, $2, $3. Yeah, I think that's pretty close to where I bought. All right, so we're on the 5. We've got down, down. 2 minutes left on this candlestick, and then 7 minutes left on that candlestick. Down $1. $2. Again, that's a delay I've got from the numbers moving on Robinhood to TD Ameritrade, and I don't know if that's because of the internet, laptop, if it's actually the platform TD Ameritrade, but Robinhood's numbers always seem to go pretty fast. All right, well, right now I'm about $4 away, and that means I would be. Oh yeah, I did that way wrong. I don't know what I was thinking. I did a put, so I'm $5 up, so I need to be like 97. Wow. All right, we'll try that again. Oh, I didn't buy that dang low. All right, well, I'll catch back up with you here in a little bit.